guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing an amiibo of Rosalina. So, anyway, let's tear this box apart. Looks cool. Look at the back of it. Yeah, it's quite rare too. So I got her quick. It's hard to open. The box with one hand. There you go, got her. Commercial break. There you go. There you go, got her. Sorry guys. There you go, got her out. So here's Rosalina. Pretty neat. Like her little. And I like Lima. Anyway, I know this was quite a short video, but you did see Rosalina. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. Yes, got it right. And I'll see you. I'll see you in my other videos. Goodbye.